Now we are going to discuss bridge course exercise 7. Verb. A verb is a word or a phrase that expresses an action or state of being. A verb is one of the most important part of the sentence. Let's see the exercise 7. Verb. Now you have to circle the verb in each group of words. Look at the first one. What are the group of verbs? Yes, dog, cat, eat, bone. Which one is verb here? Yes, eat. Eat is a verb. Look at the second group of words. Max, talk, the, babysitter. Which one is verb here? Yes, talk. Look at the third one. Mother, friend, happy, tells. There are 4 words here. Which one is verb? Yes, tells. Other words are noun. So, next, last one, 4th set of words. Open, door, to, classroom. Which one is verb? Yes, open. Look at the 5th one. The words are you finish your homework. Which one is verb? Yes, finish. Next, 6th one. Nice, child, walk, toward. Which one is verb? Yes, walk. Candy, teeth, under, makes. Which one is verb here? Makes. Next exercise. Complete the sentences using the verb. Now you have to use verbs, suitable verbs for the sentence. First, look at the pictures. Some pictures are given here. Yeah. Someone eats apple. Someone writes something. So look at the first sentence. I dash an apple every day. Yes. What is the suitable verb here? I eat. Look at the second sentence. Let's dash for some ice cream. Yes. Stop. Next. Look at the pictures and then we dash still for our picture. Yes. Stood. Next, 4th sentence. Tim dash letters to his cousin. Here, writes is a suitable verb for the sentence. Next sentence. We danced to the playground after school. Look at the picture and then you have to choose the verb. Yes, walk. We walked to the playground after school. The singer dances a sad song. Yes, sings. Next one, adverb. What is adverb? We use adverbs to say more about a verb or adverb. Adverbs tells you how, when, where or how much something happens. Now, you are going to complete the story with suitable adverb. Now, you have to choose the correct adverb. First, you have to read the story. A girl named Loretta, she was sitting on the bench and waiting for her piano teacher to instruct her. The teacher joined her. He pointed at the key on the piano and told her to tap it. Dash and Larito pressed the key too. Dash and the sound came out muffled. The teacher smiled. Dash and showed her how to do it. The young girl pressed the key more confidently. This time the sound was audible, loud and clear. Next, her teacher showed her how to place her fingers on the keys and to practice a scale dash dash but dash Loretta to play short song dash she plays like a pro. Now you have to choose the correct answer. Loretta was quietly sitting on the bench and waiting for her piano teacher to instruct her. The teacher joined her shortly. He pointed at the key on the piano and told her to tap it firmly and firmly. Loretta pressed the key too gently and the sound came out muffled. The teacher smiled knowingly and showed how to do it. The young girl pressed the key more confidently. The sound was audible, loud and clear. Next, the teacher showed her how to place her fingers on the keys and to practice a scale gradually, slowly, surely. Loretta to play a short song. Now she plays like a pro.